was a multiversal engine core. A power source that can take you anywhere in space and time. Better hurry.
Dad! I'm sorry. This is all my fault.
Hey.
What the hell? What the hell?
What the hell?
I told you, Scott, getting in was just the beginning.
You never said that. Why am I looking at another me? I'm not another me, you're another me. You just came out. Why am I looking at another me?
You're looking at the possibility of another you. You're in a probability storm.
What does any of that mean?
You don't know?
Why would I know? Because you got me in here. Oh, so I am the real one, huh? No, I didn't say that.
What the hell?
What the hell? What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell?
What the hell? What is this place?
It's a probability storm. Every choice you could make existing all at once.
What's he saying? What's he
You're
saying?
inside Schrodinger's box, and you're the cat.
That doesn't make sense. Oh, I get
Nobody
it.
move!
All right, nobody move! Why should we listen to you? You're not even the real one. Wait, my real? Who's the real one? I'm the real one. Whoa, guys. Because I work at Baskin Robbins. This is my uniform. These are normal clothes. Why are you dressed like that?
Enough! Let's do this!